Morning, everybody. Today we are fit to learn about the civil rights movement of 1954 to 1968, a fight for equality and justice. First thing we're going to learn about, what is the civil rights movement? A social and political movement to end racial segregation and discrimination against Black Americans. Our focus point is going to be our time range between 1950 to 1960. The goal is equal rights, voters' access, and desegregation. A lot of y'all didn't know we had a lot of that back in the day. Our main event is the Montgomery boycott of 1955. This boycott was about Rosa Parks. She was expired. It was sparked by her because she was arrested for refusing to give her seat up to a white man. Her focal points are: it was led by Martin Luther King. This boycott lasted over a year. In the results, guess what? Desegregated buses where blacks and white had the right to sit anywhere they wanted to. The next one we're going to talk about is Brown versus the Board of Education of 1954. This is about public schools. The Supreme Court ruled that segregation in school was unconstitutional, which means they're black and white supposed to be able to be in the same classroom at the same time. So the focus points was they overturned separate but equal and paved the way for integration into the classrooms. And the next one is going to be nonviolence protests and MLK, Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King promoted peaceful resistance. Peaceful resistance means nonviolence. He had sit-ins, marches, and speeches. He even created the speech, I Have a Dream, in 1963. So we're going to go on to the civil rights legislation. This involves a major pass to protect our rights for Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Voting Act of 1965, which a lot of people didn't understand. Back in those days, black people did not have the right to vote. They didn't have the right to marry. They didn't have the right to do anything. So the legislation gave us our rights. Next, we're going to do legends and impact. These legends and impact involve the Martin Luther King Memorial and the memorial both memorials of Martin Luther King. One of them is Breaking the Chain, which the text is moving to reshape American socialism. And it focuses on inspiring future activists and ongoing fight for equality, opportunities, and everything for us black people. So at the end of this, we're going to see that these hands motivates peace and harmony with everyone: black, white, pink, purple, yellow, green. Our closest slide going to contain the text, Injustice Anywhere is a Threat to Justice Everywhere by Martin Luther King. A call to act means to learn more, speak more, make a change. If we take our time, we can learn more about our ancestors and what they've been through. We can speak up, and we can always be able to accept change.